If you need to recover your Statuscake account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Statuscake login page. Go to the official Statuscake website and locate the login section. Click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. In the password recovery form, input the email address associated with your Statuscake account. This is crucial as the recovery instructions will be sent to this email. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for an email from Statuscake. This email will contain a link or instructions on how to reset your password. Step 4. Follow the reset link. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Log in with your new password. Return to the Statuscake login page and enter your email and the new password you just created. You should now have access to your account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues during the recovery process, consider reaching out to Statuscake's customer support for further assistance.